Hello, my name's Lizzie from BYD Stoke, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this BYD Seal U 1.5 DMI 26.6 kWh Comfort CVT. Now, this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid. It is an automatic transmission and is also ULEZ compliant. To start off with, then, you have your LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels with a two-tone finish, really complementing against the black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find that you've got an electric boot lid, and once open you can see that you've got a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a large size suitcase or perhaps even a pushchair. As this vehicle is a hybrid, it comes supplied with a wall box charging cable, and perhaps if you go camping and you need to keep any devices or appliances charged whilst on the go, you also have the vehicle to load. This vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid, so it has a range of up to 70 miles on pure electric. On 11 kilowatt charger, it can take up to 3 hours to charge, and on a rapid charger, it can take up to 55 minutes. Moving to the rear seats, you can find the black vegan leather upholstery. The middle seat does fold down to provide an armrest, so you could fold it away to carry that fifth passenger. Moving through the front, you have your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system. And as we pan around again, you can find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. This car also has a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the car, giving the cabin a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys, allowing you to travel at a constant speed. Taking a look at your dash, you can see this vehicle has done 3,047 miles. However, this is subject to change due to test drives. You also have a head-up display, which is a brilliant safety feature as it allows you to see the speed you are travelling at without taking your eyes off the road. On your infotainment system, which also rotates between portrait and landscape, so you can pick which way is suited to you and your needs and requirements. You have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your navigation system, which allows you to plan any journey you may take in this vehicle, ensuring that you always take the quickest yet safest route possible to those new destinations. You also have your Spotify, so if you have a Spotify account, you are able to log in and listen to your own playlists whilst travelling. You also have a DAB radio, which is all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone, so you can always find something to listen to no matter what. Along with Bluetooth connectivity, which allows you to make and receive those important phone calls whilst on the go, ensuring you're never tempted to pick your phone up whilst driving. You also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay supported via a USB, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps or perhaps just listen to your own music. And as well as this, you also have a 360 view camera, which makes manoeuvring and reversing so much easier, especially in those difficult parking situations. You also have a dual zone climate control where you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger, as well as easily adjust airflow and airflow direction. You also have front heated seats as well as ventilated seats as well, ideal for the hot summer months as well as the colder winter ones. This has been a presentation on a BYD Seal U 1.5 DMI's 26.2 kWh Comfort CVT that's now available to purchase from BYD Stoke. For more information, please contact our sales team.